All right, so I got a 24 pack of MK8 nozzles from Creality. We've got some 0.4s, we've got 0.3s, 0.2s, wow. 0.6, 5, 1, and 0.8. So, um, interesting. So there we go. The MK8. I brought my one of my cheap um, calipers in here. So, and somebody put me on inches. Go figure. Um, so there we go. 6 inch, 6 millimeter. There, and so yep. I can see through it. Pretty sure you can't from that vantage point. So check out, make sure they are clean, and try them out. So they appear to be what I'm looking for. So let me try to get some of them printing and add some photos later. But for now, um, hope that helps a little bit. I think it's a reasonable kit here. I was just confused. I thought it was all the same. So I guess I ordered this. I'll have to go check, see what happened. So there you go, a value pack of MK8 nozzles. So hope that helps you out. Take care. Have a good day.